Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Swati. Today I brought you new video that is a introduction on the SketchUp. So in this video, I'm going to cover all those points like uh, how to use the drawing tools, how to use the modifying tools, and then basic modeling. So let's start. So this is a user interface. So here you will get the three axes: red, green, and blue axis. One is for the length, one is for the width, and one is for the height. So this is our drawing area, and here you will get the drawing tools: line, here freehand line, rectangle, arc, rotated rectangle, arc, likewise. And after that, here up to this line, we are having the modifying tools like move, rotate, follow me, push, pull. Now these all tools we are going to use for our modeling. So you will get idea while doing the modeling. So mainly SketchUp is used for the 3D modeling, landscaping. Again, we can do animation in this. So it is a very user-friendly software. Anybody can easily learn this software. So I'm going to create few model here. So just keep watching. You will get definitely idea about the what is exactly SketchUp is and how to use the all those tools. So let's start. So here I have shown you how to use line, then freehand line, then circle, polygon, and then arc, types of arc in the 2 point, 3 point, and then pi, how to create that. So we will see in brief. So line, select first point and then drag, give the distance 5 feet, enter, enter. So this is the how to draw line. Again, if you want to do in particular direction, in the parallel to red axis, green axis, again here red axis, and vertical if you want you can go for the blue axis, suppose 5 feet, enter, like this. Again, if you will join, it will create it as a plane. So this is use of line. And then we are having freehand line. So here freely you can draw the line by using this freehand tool. So as you can see, if you will draw wherever you will get start and end point, there it will get close and it will create it as a freehand plane like this. Randomly you can draw anywhere. You can create a path or walking path, anything you can create by using this freehand line. Next to that rectangle, select any one in corner, then drag, and here in dimension tool you will get the value for length and uh, width. So you can give it as a first value for length and then comma, second value for the width. So like this it is. 10 by 5 we have drawn the rectangle. Next to that we are having rotated rectangle. Select first point, select second point, and then give the width and angle. So width how much you want, suppose 4 feet, comma, angle. So 90, enter like this. So this is the use of rotated rectangle. You can use it is suppose if I want first point, second point, then without entering angle you can click like this. So this is the use of rotated rectangle. After that we are having circle. So it is same like AutoCAD. Select the center point, give the radius value. Next to that, we are having polygon. So select the center point and enter the inscribed radius. So 6 feet, enter. So we have entered the value for the circle radius. So 6 feet, if I will draw the same circle which is having 6 feet radius, it should get uh, cover that polygon like this. So it is inscribed a polygon. Next to that, we are having here arc command. So this is a first type of arc. So length it is asking 3 feet, enter. Again it is asking how much angle you want, 90, enter like this. Next to that we are having here 2 point arc. So if any 2 point, if you know first, second, then we have to give the vertical distance. You can call it as a bulge, how much you want. Suppose 4 feet, enter. So this is the 2 point arc. Next to that, we are having 3 point arc. So if we know any 3 point first, suppose second and third, easily you can draw, or else you can enter the value for that. Length how much, then next to that angle or value for that. Suppose 90, enter. So this is called as the 3 point arc. Next to that, we are having pi. So pi, it is a closed quarter circle, 3 feet, enter. Suppose or any value if you will give, suppose I will give 180, enter like this. So 3 from here, 3 from here, and 180-degree angle we have given. With plane it will come. So next to that, almost we have done the all the drawing tools. Next to that, we are having modifying tools. Very first it is a move command. So before going for move, I am going to explain you one concept, that is a how to create group and how to make it ungroup, how to edit group, how to do the modification for that. Why? Because suppose if I have this select option and I want to move any particular thing. Suppose if I will select this and I want to move this like this. So as you can see, it will stretch remaining whatever objects it will be there. So what you can do to avoid this problem, what we have to do, we have to make it first group and then we have to go for the move. So go for the right click, select all the objects and make group. Now you can see easily you can move wherever you want. Now this drawing it is not stretching. Why? Because we have created it as a group. So whenever you want to make it ungroup, but now once if you will create a group, you can't give apply the color or you can't do the modification for that until you have to do edit group. So once if you will do edit group, you can apply any material, you can do the changes for that model. So once if you will go back again, it will come to the group. So if you want to make it ungroup, you can go for here explode option. Once if you will go for explode, now 111 plane or line, it will get select. Why? Because we have made it ungroup. So this is the advantage of group and uh, explode option. So next to that we are having push pull option. Why we have to use? So to extrude the faces or create any 3D form. So now these all are 2D. So if I will select the surface, the dotted portion, it will visible. So you have to give distance. Distance means height for that. Suppose 3 feet, enter like this. Now it is a plain circle. So if you want to create like cylinder, you can give height for that. So this will applicable for every plane like this. Suppose if you want to give wall thickness, I'll give 6 inches, enter like this. So you can use push pull for to create 3D form or any to extrude anything or to delete anything from this. So suppose if I have this portion, I want to delete this, or if you want to create white space, you can click till the end point. Now you can see how the hole it has created or it has formed because of push pull option. Suppose if I want to create any window or opening for the wall, you can select the push pull option, and how much thickness for the wall, that much you can give, or you can select on the edge. Once again I'll repeat this concept. So here, suppose if I am having this wall and we will go for the push pull option, and then now I want to create wide space or opening for this. Select this option and then select the push pull option and then click on the edge. Now easily you can see the opening. So after that we are having rotate option. So for rotate also we have to select the object first, but make sure that we have created a group for that. So go for the group and then go for the rotate option. Select the base point, any base point, then give the axis to rotate. So select this, then give the reference axis and then drag. Suppose if I want to rotate in 90 degree, 90. So likewise, you have to rotate. Now this is a horizontal rotation. If you want to rotate in vertical direction, the axis it should be like this. So select the reference axis and rotate like this. So it's up to you how you want to rotate accordingly. You have to select the axis and then give the direction for that like this. So after rotating, we are having follow me option. So it is a very much interesting and important part of the SketchUp. Suppose if I have like this arc and this I want to move for this endpoint, and then I'll create any. So what I will do, I'll extrude this little bit, and I want to extrude on the arc. So what I can do, I can go for the follow me option, select this portion and then select the arc. So wherever you have drawn the arc up to that area, it will get extruded. Why? Because we have choose follow me option. So anywhere you can use the same command. So wherever you want to create such a shape. So once again, I'll repeat this. Suppose if I am having this, and then here freehand, I'll create anything like this. I'll go for the follow me, select this once again like this. Whenever you want to create any complicated structure or any design such like this, so you can go for the follow me option. So next to that, here we are having the scale option. So either you can use it is like a uniform scale, or you can scale it by length, width or height. So first I'll create a group and then you have to select the scale option. So any end one corner you can pick and you can do uniform scale like this. Any top or bottom or left or right in corner you can pick. So it is called as the uniform scale. Once if you will select any middle point of the length, it will get increased. Width, again this is a height. So this is a scale option. Now I want to give next option, that is modifying tools, offset. So offset, we can create a parallel, circle, parallel, rectangle, parallel lines by using this. So how to do that? Suppose if I will try here, we are unable to give. Why? Because it is in group. So first you have to do edit group and then go for the offset and then select the area. Now I want to give inside offset, so 6 inches, enter. So this value we have given 6 inches. Suppose if we want to give the offset outside, suppose 1 feet, enter like this. So it is doesn't matter where you are giving the offset. You can give either inside or either outside like this. So this is called as the offset. After the offset here, that is a very important command in modifying, that is the erase. So once if you will give erase like this, we can erase. You can call it as a trim as well. We can erase the edges only. If you want to erase the faces, you have to select the face and then right click and erase like this. Next to that, here after offset we are having here axis. Once if you will give axis, you can provide for the reference wherever you want. Suppose if you have created, according to you, you can adjust the view like this. Now the axis it has came to this drawing like this. You can set the particular axis for that. Next to that we are having here next command, that is the flip command. Suppose if we are having this group and I want to flip this like this. In which axis you want to flip, like we can call it as a mirror as well like this. Now it has flipped to downward side again like this. If I will flip again, it will come to the topward side. So along with the axis like x, y and z, according to that we can flip the things. Next here we are having selection. You can select like this individual selection and then if you want to select right to left corner and then delete or erase you can do. I hope you have understand this all the basic concept, whatever drawing tools, whatever modifying tools. So how to do use that again I'll explain. So I'll create one simple model uh, in which all the commands will get include, so you can easily understand the concept. So let's start. hope you have understand basic whatever drawing tools and modifying tools. So keep doing the modeling, keep trying for them. You can take a reference image or reference furniture model from the Google, and you can try for that. If you need out, you can ask me in comment box. So if you are new, please go back to my previous video, follow those video. If you need out, you can ask me. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for the watching. Thank you.